Hello traders, here's the software for NinjaTrader 8. I choose to project on any chart. The most important part, we have alerts at critical key level. The most important part, intelligent trader based on AlphaFibonacci system also knows it's a very aggressive trade, it's a very painful crawl. Prior we have seen spectacular bullish rally at this level. This morning we don't. This morning we're seeing price being tested. So if you're taking a look on this chart, you're understanding quite well. With a single glimpse when trading the system. This was vicious, but chop lasted for 48 hours before. This potentially exact same case. This is number one. This trade is aggressive. We're witnessing institutional sell-off. Institutional profit taking, but this is institutional buy point. All starts from micro chart. Can you use your limitless brain? Do you understand where to monitor prolong? Can you obey green zone? Can you do that? If the answer is yes, the sky's the limit. Choose the trade appropriate for you. Trade with risk you can afford to trade. Only you know your psychological and financial comfort. Only you can identify the trade appropriate for you. This is how software for NinjaTrader 8 displays. Show you entry, stop and target. Show you where to expect pain on this aggressive trade. That's it. Do not overcomplicate trading. When you trade markets as strategic intelligent chess, the skies are the limit. All the discussions in live classes and hundreds of videos of prior live recorded classes posted in member area that you can view 24/7. And for that reason, this is aggressive trade. Institutional profit taking with retail crawl at key retail levels constitutes aggressive long. There is nothing else at this level. Nothing else. Only this is present. Price been stuck in chop for over an hour. Institutional profit taking met with critical key retail buy point. There is nothing else. Only this is present. So when you're paying attention to target DP1, it identifies weakness with software for NinjaTrader 8. Can you use your limitless brain? Can you understand and learn what this means? But if day trading is not for you, because psychological comfort and technical execution is not your thing, your system long term, no software required. Identical level on NVIDIA now, where NVIDIA crashing from. This is the chart present in the trading room for months. Absolutely no software on NVIDIA, software on S&P mini future. You are witnessing 20 years of my work. You are witnessing why global community trading AlphaFibonacci system. Is anyone surprised? This is weakness. This is aggressive. This is pain. There is nothing else on S&P. There is nothing else on NVIDIA. Entirely different trades. On NVIDIA, you held your position for months. On NVIDIA, you prepared for your trade for weeks. You knew where to buy the bottom at AlphaFibonacci buy point. And you can trade this on any platform you choose. You knew where to short Amazon from. You learned your lesson. That heaven lies in you, not holding Amazon forever. Do you know what to do with your position on Amazon right now? Do you know how important this event is? In the trading room, you're witnessing the power of the system in the live markets without any delays. You can ask questions about the instrument of your choice, and you're seeing very important part. When price showing you it's a counter trend trade, it's aggressive, painful trade, obey the rules. If you choose to trade aggressively. Euro, testing identical level 110, and you know this many months in advance. Euro failed to crash through this level. It's a war zone between these two levels, but bullish rally on Euro continues despite catastrophic crisis in Europe. You can trade on MT4, you can trade on MT5, and you can trade Bitcoin. Of course you can. Bitcoin defended this level at 53. That's it. And that's AlphaFibonacci system on multiple instruments, multiple time frames. Here comes oil. Oil this morning skyrocketed after bullish news. But you knew weeks and months in advance where institutions buying oil from. So what you decide to trade is your choice. No software on any of these charts. Software for NinjaTrader 8 to day trade futures. And that's ultimate precision during junky little aggressive bullish retail pullback versus institutional sell-off. Are you ready for extreme volatility? Are you prepared? Hand holding in trading never works. Your knowledge, your discipline, your limitless brain does. When you trade AlphaFibonacci system on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, with or without software for NinjaTrader 8. So when price keeps dancing at this level with identical key trading range, intelligent trader very well prepared. Identical event on multiple charts on S&P. Identical level right now on Nasdaq. Software on S&P, no software on Nasdaq. That's it. And that's how you trade markets, as intelligent strategic chess. With precise entry, with precise stop, with precise target, as I will be teaching in institutional class tomorrow. How to ride institutional power. And you will make a personal decision on the instrument you choose to trade. That's it. Here comes the buyers on S&P mini future again. There is nothing else. Only this is present. And this can last hours and this can last days. Intelligent trader knows far in advance what separates weakness from power. Key moment now. Identical level with software, as on Nasdaq, as on Euro, as on Pound, as on oil, as on Amazon, as on Bitcoin. Key moment on S&P. Are you ready? This level is out. Spectacular bullish power steps in with vengeance. Monitoring key moment on S&P mini future. Again, you're extremely well prepared. You understand what separates weakness from power. And that's how you trade. Strategic, intelligent chess on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, or to day trade futures for NinjaTrader 8. So when this vicious market continues in such extremely limited retail trading range, intelligent trader very well prepared, knowing quite well, this level is out, this level is next. This level remains intact, it's pure bullish weakness only, nothing else. So here we go, buyers picking up this team, software showing you this. You understand extremely well. 5655 is a key level, identifies weakness. Yes, this level is out, 5657 will follow. Key moment now. So when this retail jump can last for hours, intelligent trader very well prepared and understanding the key level to the upside. Prior this level we saw spectacular institutional rally. This morning we don't. We're seeing retail chop. My ultimate marketing tool are my students, and when father bringing his son to the course, 14-year-old Dominic, and Dominic accomplishes this, Dominic loves trading with software on DAO. You can listen to Dominic's podcast, who was born during COVID. But his father, hedge fund manager, trading multi-million-dollar portfolios with AlphaFibonacci system. And that's ultimate honor. And that's our global community all over the world. From US to 58 countries, stop. Walking down memory lane, my another dearest friend for life, Richard, retired trading AlphaFibonacci system on options. So every single one of these traders, different instrument, different time frame, different platform. You make a personal decision on what you want to trade. The skies are the limit. And the ultimate honor when the students say words of gratitude. Thank you so much for all you do. I've been consistently profitable ever since I joined your program. It's really been life-changing for me with my trading. So glad I found you. So when you stop this cycle of insanity, as these traders have done, the sky's is the limit. All you have to do, use your limitless brain and make an effort and choose the instrument appropriate for you. So please review everything on the website and choose the option appropriate for you. Private mentoring, I have 1 space left, savings $8,000 plus. You receive access to group course, video library modules. Option 2, the most popular option, includes software for NinjaTrader 8 with savings for $5,000 as a group course. If you are not on NinjaTrader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. Again, every single option includes lifetime system for all instruments, all platforms. Option 2 and 4 include software for NinjaTrader 8 platform. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. But please, listen to our students' podcast, view students' performance, and read students' reviews. And make a personal decision on option appropriate for you. Tomorrow I'm teaching institutional class that will become life changer, as you will see after a single class. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me, 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much.